Facebook, YouTube. Hope you guys having a beautiful day. I'm in Hillsboro, Missouri today, doing tile and grout cleaning and seal. Ooh, we have about 757 square feet we're doing today. And this client found us on Facebook. And it's gonna be a good day. Stay tuned for some results. As always, thanks for watching. Let's go. All right, guys, we're getting the van warmed up now, firing it up. Like I said, we're doing a total of 757 square feet. And we're gonna clean the tile and then also seal it, bringing the total to $2 a square foot. We charge $1.50 clean and 50 cents to seal. And that renews the floor. And again, it helps maintain it going forward. So if you guys need a service, reach out. We got you covered. Hey, yo, let's go. Beautiful. Check this out, guys. See that? Not today. Stay tuned. Beautiful. Let me show you guys something. Look at this. I already did this here right here. Look at this after. So this is before. I'm sorry, that's before, that's after. Look at that, guys. See how that's still dirty? Look at this. Absolutely amazing. All right, guys. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, a little update. I have done this part. I have not done that part. Look at that difference, guys. Night and day. Stay tuned. All right, amazing results. As you guys can see, it responded very well. Got it back to the safe zone. Looks good. Wow. You guys remember how dirty that was right there? Amazing transformation. All right, guys, we're going to neutralize it. Then we're going to seal it. And that'll be a wrap. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, everybody, YouTube, Facebook, we're getting ready to seal the grout. It turned out absolutely phenomenal. Back to the original state. As you can see, the grout is white again. And now we're gonna seal it with an oil-based sealer to seal out that dirt and get it back to the original state as promised. All right, guys, again, we have about 757 square feet of tile. We just cleaned it, we just neutralized it, and now we're gonna seal it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, hit the bell. Beautiful. Now this will go on shiny, but it will flash off and seal to the grout. And all will be well. Also in this video, guys, I want to point out that sometimes when you clean the tile, you will see some imperfections. Some of the grout, especially older floors that are over 10 years old, will be missing. And what I recommend to clients is you can go to the local depot store, get you some grout repair, and touch that up real easily. So, not a big deal, but if you're looking for it to be perfect, that's what I advise. All right, guys, for tip of the day. Also in this video, guys, I want to point out that sometimes when you clean the tile, you will see some imperfections. Some of the grout, especially older floors that are over 10 years old, will be missing. And what I recommend to clients is you can go to the local depot store, get you some grout repair, and touch that up real easily. So, not a big deal, but if you're looking for it to be perfect, that's what I advise. All right, guys, your tip of the day.